Hey guys, what's up? So I've got a lot of questions about gears and that in electric vehicles. No, electric vehicles do not have any gears because there's no transmission, that sort of thing. I mean, it's an electric motor that drives a few cogs that pushes the vehicle, essentially pushes or pulls, however you want to look at it. So no, there's no gears. You can't go first, second. You can't, not Tiptronic. There's no such thing. It's a single gear essentially. So I'm going to do a few videos and show you the acceleration in the EV. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 depending on the warmth of the batteries, because the warmer the batteries are, the more power it can put down. So at the moment my car's sitting on 4 bars of battery temperature, which is quite cold even though it's like 9-10 degrees out. So let's see how it goes. Hope you enjoy. Ciao. Right, so here we go. So I put it into drive. You can see it's in drive. Gonna let off the foot brake. Just wait for some traffic to make our way out. We're on a dirt road. Okay. Right, here we go. Right, we're leaving our little favorite place called Green Lake. So I'm going to give it beans again. Can't go too fast obviously because we're in a speed controlled area. Let's just wait for some traffic to move. And I hope you can hear the audio, or the lack of there really, on the ones. Here we go. See, quiet, absolutely quiet, no changing of gears. Now, set cruise control and sit all the way back home. Enjoy the ride.